Welcome back to Training Interns. Today we are going to review SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. And that means that people will find your story on a Google search, Yahoo search, whatever search engine that people access news on. And we're going to review readability, and we're going to review meta description, which the meta description is basically how people will know what your story is about by just one sentence. And then focus keyword is choosing one word or phrase from your article that must be in your title and your meta description so that people can search for it well. So we're going to look over here first. It says publish. You want to check these boxes here. Readability is good. SEO is good. Most likely you will not see green check marks, especially on your first drafts. So to get green, we will go over those steps, but if they're not green, they'll end up in orange or red. And then you'll scroll down. Even if it's green, I want you to scroll down to improve it. Down here to the Yoast SEO Premium box, you will see it's called Snippet Preview. And right here it'll list your title. Underneath is the Permalink, which is how it's the link that goes to your article. And then right below here is one sentence, that's the meta description. And this is how people know what your article is about. And it also helps with SEO because if you'll see goal is showing up in bold, goal is also in the title. And then it should be in the permalink as well. And all of those matching gives you a nice green light. So to go a little bit further into detail, scroll down. You can edit this meta description by hitting edit snippet, and it'll give you a ton of information here. We're going to go straight to the voila, meta description. So what Danny did was she typed this in. She did not allow Google to choose automatically. If you don't type in your meta description, it'll say, please provide, blah, blah, blah. If you don't, Google will try to find a relevant part of your post to show. It will never choose a good sentence. So always, always, always type it in here. So Danny made sure to put in a sentence that is not too short but not too long. If it's too short, you will not get the green light. So if you just ended it there. But if it's too long, you will also not get the green light. So look. There's kind of a magic length there, and it needs to be a complete sentence. So if it's more than one sentence, not good. If it's a run-on sentence, not good. So you want to make sure that it contains the theme of your article. So Danny's article is about her goals, and so she said a year ago, I changed her focus keyword to goal. So goal is in the meta description of the article. It's also in the title. And we're going to go to focus key phrase. Goal, I mean, that's not the strongest. If you want to learn how to do a really good focus key phrase, hit the question mark. And this will go into detail. That's the awesome part about our site. It has the highest update available. So it explains everything in detail along with these phases. You can always, always, always improve your articles and keyword. So if you type in your keyword and you get green, that's usually pretty good, but you can always improve. So it's telling us that it's uneven. Some parts of the text don't contain the key phrase or its synonyms. Honestly, I haven't even been trained in this part, but goal, you can do another synonym of goal. So it's like you're using your keyword, but in a different way. Key phrase length is good. Density, it's only found 2 times. If it's everywhere, that's not good. So you can click on all of these links to see what that even means. I typed in a related key phrase, swim, and that appears in the meta description and in the title as well. So that strengthens the SEO again. And then you can scroll down and you can always add another key phrase like right. And that also has a smiley face, so that strengthens it as well. So it gives you feedback on everything. So we'll scroll up here. All right, so we got the green light, and then we always want to make sure that the title matches the permalink. If it doesn't, then that gives you, it'll get lost in cyberspace and people won't read your article. So let's say we change this title to Goals, Danny Navarrete's Goals. That doesn't match there because we added something, right? Look at our SEO. It changed to orange because you no longer have the title matching the permalink. So you want to copy this, hit edit, paste. You don't need to do anything else. Just hit OK. It'll automatically match. And then this should change, but it might not change automatically, so then just hit Save Draft. If it doesn't change again, then maybe your previous title was actually better for the SEO and you can change it back. So let's see. Still orange. So we will do this. Also, you want your focus keyword to show up in the first sentence of your intro, or at least the first paragraph. So goals appears here. It's better to have it up here, but WordPress still likes it. So I'm going to hit Save Draft. Sorry, Danny. Thank you for letting me use you as an example. Hopefully this explains stuff. Watch the video from our CEO, and that will further explain what SEO means. Thanks for joining.